In this video, I'll show you how to create a gradient text effect in Canva. To start, let's select our gradient. Head over to the left menu, choose Elements, and search for Gradient. Click Graphics, pick a gradient that you like, and fill the workspace with it. You can adjust the colors as needed. Next, add your text. Resize it and choose a white color. Then, adjust the transparency to around 40. Click on Share at the top right, then download and save it as a PNG for better quality. Upload the file. Drag the image to fill the workspace. Select it, go to Edit, and click on BG Remover. Next, adjust the image under Edit by playing with brightness, contrast, saturation, and vibrance to make the gradient text pop. Once you're happy with the effect, export the text as a PNG with a transparent background. You can overlay it on designs or images for a cool look. Feel free to experiment with different fonts and gradient styles to create unique gradient text effects in Canva.